We have put this project off for way too long. It's time to put a roof on the chicken run.
Just in case if we haven't already been introduced, I'm Nikki. That's my husband Clay, and we are Garden and Grease. Nice. We're a Makita family.
That's right.
Getting a new roof on your playpen.
Spent all this money on this Milwaukee and it's not magnetized. That's why we lost the other bit.
Suck that wood right up into it. Oh, come on. Woo! Got the bit back.
I like how the extra pieces fall through there.
Nice.
Like it was intentional.
Yeah.
It is.
It's intentional.
It is.
All right, where we're at so far. 2x4 number 1 at the top. 2 more to go.
Hey, make sure the audience knows that we're beginner. We're not even amateur. We're beginner makers of
Carpentry
things.
level. Doesn't look
What?
straight to this board, does it? Or does it? I can't tell.
Baby, it'll be fine.
Okay.
And yeah, everything's straight and square on this.
Yeah. Just like everything in our house.
Yep.
Square. Yeah.
All the work we do is plumb and true.
Professional grade. Box of 3-inch.
Babe, I'm sweating.
Me too. And our nice new Volkswagen shirts. Not new, but
Yeah, in case you guys haven't figured out, we love Volkswagen.
we're a Volkswagen family.
Yeah, we both have Volkswagens. My oldest son has a Volkswagen. My middle son is getting a Volkswagen, and our youngest son, Michael, he will own a Volkswagen when he's older. He's only 9.
And our daughter is gonna have a Volkswagen emblem on her car.
Yeah, because it's a Chevy.
Had these pieces of metal roofing that were left over from roofing the house. The house was gray, but they used cutoffs and extra pieces that they had to bundle the good sheets of metal together for shipping. So we got a couple free pieces of the white cutoffs. One's a little mangled, but perfect for a chicken coop.
Hey guys, just a side note, this project, like most of ours, don't happen in one day. They take days, weeks, maybe even months to finish. So don't feel rushed to get your projects done all at one time. Take your time.
I gotta admit, baby, that was a good idea doing that.
Thank you.
Glad I thought of it.
Yeah, yeah.
I did.
Woof, look at that. Nice.
No more sagging in the middle. Oh, that's pretty good right there, Mom.
I'd say so. When we got our metal roof put on our house, the contractors left us like 2 bags of these screws and our extra metal
Yeah,
here.
and they made it seem like they were doing us a favor, you know, because we bought it.
Yeah.
We own it.
Wow, that sun.
Yeah, you better enjoy it now. Don't
I
even
know. I was just going to say, I was complaining how it was cold. I'm right in the middle. I pull it tight.
So I just want to take a minute and say that these are the best drills, and these batteries, the 4 amp hours, they last forever.
It's just... Oh, yeah.
Did you see about how they sandwiched?
Yeah. All right. The chicken coop run roof is done. We wanted to ensure that during the winter, they wouldn't get wet when they're in their run and then be really cold at nighttime. So they're not going to get snowed on. Not like we actually get snow anymore anyway. And they're not going to get rained on and get cold. This will help give them a little bit extra shade in the summer. Hey guys, if you like the content that we've been providing, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know what you liked or what you would like to see some more of. Thank you for watching.